Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to tweet someone in your Twitter account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Twitter account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Twitter app. Here I go. Your homepage appears. Now at the bottom right corner you can see that plus icon. Tap on that. Now here you can write anything you wanna tweet. Also you can add some photos, gifs or polls, but for now here I will be only writing something. Here I will be writing flying to US. Now you have to type @ and type the name of a person you want to tweet. Now at the top right corner you can see that tweet option. Tap on that. You can see that notification your tweet was sent. In this way you can easily tweet someone in your Twitter account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.